Are you struggling to stay motivated? Well, here's a game changer. You don't need motivation. You need a system. Let me explain. Motivation comes and goes, but a good system creates consistency and leads to success. It's all about setting clear, achievable goals and breaking them down into manageable tasks. First, identify what you really want. What is your ultimate goal? Write it down and be as specific as possible. Now break it into smaller, actionable steps. These steps should be so easy that there's almost no excuse not to do them, even on your worst days. Next up, routine. Establish a daily routine that incorporates these tasks. Consistency over time leads to progress, and before you know it, you'll have built a habit. Put it on your calendar, set reminders, and stick to it. Remember, it's the small actions compounded over time that lead to big results. Let's talk about accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust. Having someone to report to can drastically increase your chances of sticking with your system. They can keep you on track and celebrate your wins with you. If you prefer, you could also keep a journal to reflect on your progress and setbacks. Also, remove barriers. Identify what's holding you back from completing your tasks and eliminate them. It might be social media distractions or a cluttered workspace. Whatever it is, address it to create an environment that supports your system. Lastly, be adaptable. Life happens, and your system might need tweaking along the way. Don't be afraid to adjust and refine it to better suit your evolving needs. The key is persistence and patience. So there you have it. Ditch the myth of motivation and build a system that works for you. Once you implement a robust system, you'll find yourself productive even when motivation is lacking. You'll discover a new level of discipline and the profound results it can achieve. Remember, in the end, it's the system, not sporadic motivation, that will carry you to success.